Hey guys, these dogs shed a lot, and I'm here to tell you why I bought the Dyson DC65. I usually vacuum every day, but school just started, I've been really busy. I haven't vacuumed in about a week, and I think you can make it out. You can see just clumps of hair on the carpet, and that's only been about a week. So here's my Dyson 65. As you can see, it's empty. I'm about to vacuum, and don't worry, I'll speed it up to like, I don't know, 400%, so you're not sitting there watching me vacuum, because I don't think that'd be too fun. This is where the crate used to be. Can you see all that hair? A little bit. Well, kind of disgusting. I haven't vacuumed that in about 2 weeks. So anyway, I'm gonna vacuum all this up, and then I'll show you the tube after I vacuum for the first time in a week. Here we go. So I just vacuumed the entire room, picked up all the hair. As you can see, if you get the smaller version of the DC animal, it's going to fill up a lot quicker. You saw, I live in a one-bedroom apartment. This filled up pretty quickly, and that's only, it's only been a week since I last vacuumed. I would definitely recommend the Dyson DC65. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.